Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way that you can add music to your Instagram. I did a previous video like this, but it was using Instagram and YouTube. So in this video, we'll be using Instagram and TikTok. Now, most of you already know how popular TikTok is, and there's plenty of popular songs used on TikTok. So I'm going to show you how you can take that audio from TikTok and put it into your Instagram if you want to promote your business products, if you just want to post good quality videos with good sounds that people know already, then keep watching this video. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Let me fix my camera because baby girl, what are you doing? Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. So we're gonna start off on TikTok. We're just searching right now to find some audio that we like. When you find that audio, just share the video and hit save. Again, you're just gonna find audio, hit the share button, and save it to your phone. Now we're in iMovie and we're going to create a movie and add those two videos that we found on TikTok. When you insert a video into iMovie, you always want to pinch it to get the full video. So now we're going to click the movie clip and then hit detach. So that separates the video from the audio. And you're going to go ahead and add your video to the beginning of those two videos. And what we're going to do is we're going to mute this video, the first one. We don't want to use our original audio. I'm going to take the detached audio from the first video and bring it all the way to the front of our video. You can't just delete a video with the detached audio under it, or it's going to delete both the video and the audio. So that's what you're seeing. I'm going to go ahead and delete this now. And then now we have the audio to the second video, and we're going to pull it all the way to the front.
So I don't worry at all about the thing.
So that's how that sounds. TikTok has a silent moment at the end of the video. I just took that out of the audio, and you want to make sure that they are close together. We don't want any drops in music, so we want it to run through smoothly. So after that, you're just going to save that video to your phone and then upload it to Instagram. Now, because you pinched the video, it will fit. So Instagram has a thing called scale. So you hit the scale button and it makes the video. And this is how it turned out. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them in the comment box below. And don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.